everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here, and I have a quick tip, hopefully, survival situation and just life in general. If you're sick, food poisoning, something, you end up with diarrhea or vomiting, you can get dehydrated, or somebody you're with or is dehydrated. So what I've found is a mix that you can carry around. It's a dry mix. You add it to 32 ounces of water and literally just carry it in a Ziploc bag, carry it in a container. So what this is a complete rehydration. For 32 ounces of water, put 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Most people have all this stuff in their house. I didn't have cream of tartar, had to go buy it, but I've got plenty of it now. Just add that to 32 ounces of water. Buy you some flavored water mixes, put in with, because this stuff, if you're ever drinking anything with baking soda in it, that's exactly what it tastes like. If you're dehydrated, you can tolerate it, but make it enjoyable you can. A basic solution is a half a teaspoon of salt and 6 teaspoons of sugar, and that goes into 32 ounces of water also. I'll leave a description or the recipe in the description, and just something maybe you should think of when you take out in the woods, you're going on a long hike. This doesn't weigh anything. If you were bringing bottles of Gatorade or something else that you wanted to keep yourself hydrated with, this has got everything in one, plus get you those little flavor packs of Kool-Aid or whatever they got. Dump that in a 32 ounce bottle. Check out the description for the recipe, give this a try, pack it up, carry it with you. This is good in medical conditions and survival. Just also remember, disclaimer, I'm not a doctor and this is for educational purposes only. You should do your own research. So hey, I appreciate you guys just checking out this little quick tip. Hopefully you do your research and maybe one day it'll help you, help somebody you know. So I just wanted to share that with you, something I carry around, started carrying around. That's it. So remember, enjoy the outside.